What's up, everybody? So, this is an experimented lava lamp. Okay, that's what this is. And when it came in, the water was pink, which it's actually red now. It just looks pink on camera. It's very, very red in real life. But it came pink and the wax was yellow, which it still is, which you can see that. But in real life, it's just all red. You can't tell what color the wax is. Um, so I was on Amazon and I bought what I thought was a really cool, funky looking, kind of hippie looking pink and yellow lava lamp. Pink water and yellow wax. And because it was shipped, there's a chance that it could be pretty cloudy because they get shaken around and there's temperature changes, especially in the summertime, which we're in now. And it came super cloudy, the cloudiest lava lamp I have ever had, like way beyond what anyone would tolerate without filtering it. And I had no filtration for it, so I basically tried heating it and cooling it back down a bunch of times, letting it run for a long time, and that was a mixed bag. It either gets worse or it gets better or it stays the same, and it seemed like it just stayed the same, and I don't even think it could really get much worse. Um, you couldn't even see the wax if it was not right up against the glass. So definitely was not a very functional lava lamp viewing wise. So then what I did was I took, and I'll actually show a video, but I poured the liquid out. I poured it into a plastic container, which you should usually use glass. You don't want to use plastic because the microplastics could mess with the wax. Um, but I poured it into a plastic container anyway, and then I just poured distilled water into it. So it was actually clear and yellow. And I didn't like that because it just kind of looked, it didn't have the right vibe. It just looked, it was just yellow and it kind of looked like egg yolks and it just didn't say anything to me. It was almost like inhibitious in a way. Just this bright neon yellow lava lamp with no other color in it. It just looked a little goofy to me over time. On camera, it looked cool because it kind of looked golden on camera. Like the wax looked like it was gold, but off camera, which is what matters the most, it was not pleasant. So, anyways, I ended up wanting to color the water. So, I went to Walmart and I bought this fabric dye, which I had no idea what was going to happen. It was an experiment. I don't think most people use this in their lava lamps. Most people use ink or food dye, and food dye usually turns brown, so you don't really want to use that. But yeah, I just used fabric because I didn't find any alcohol ink. You can also use jet printer ink from a printer. Ink works better. I was thinking about just breaking open some red pens and putting it in there. I did put too much in here. You can't even see what color the wax is off camera. Everything just looks red. It doesn't help that the wax is also yellow, so red kind of takes over there. But yeah, once this thing gets heated up, I will show you what it looks like. All right, it's been heated up for a while now, and it is going a little slow here because it's You wouldn't call it a properly functioning lava lamp, but it does a good job of just being a lava lamp. You see how slow the wax is here. The base is almost completely uncentered with wax. Most of it is at the top. But it is being a lava lamp. The issue is there's no special liquid in here to keep the wax from sticking to the glass. Also, I don't know exactly how filled up that's supposed to be exactly. Any number of these things could keep it from, you know, acting like a normal lava lamp. It's not doing any twirls or thinning out at all. It's just very bubbly. But it is a lava lamp nonetheless. So, experiment kind of went well. I would say that it went well enough. And we'll see what happens with the next one. But that's the video, guys.